Hi guys, Miss Colbert here again, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your Google account at home, how to sign into Google Classroom, and just about some of the Google products that we use here in class. So if you are at school and you're signing into your Chromebook, it's going to automatically have you sign into your Google account right as you open it. But if you're at home or working on a PCS or a Mac computer, you're going to have to go to the Google homepage, google.com, and then in the top right corner, you'll have to find your Nimitz Eagle account. If you don't see your Nimitz Eagle account there, you can add another account and put in the Nimitz Eagle email and the password that you were given on your technology sheet. After you've signed in, you'll see that you have this 3x3 grid icon, and this is how you're going to navigate through the different products and things that we use. So just a little bit about it. So your drive here, that's where all of your documents are going to be stored. Anything that you start, even if you haven't finished or you haven't clicked save, everything's going to automatically save right here into your Google Drive. Google Docs is what us old-timers call Microsoft Word. It's equivalent to the Microsoft Word, but this is where all of your written documents and things like that are going to be processed. You may have Google Sheets, which is equivalent to Excel, and Slides, which is equivalent to a PowerPoint. Slides we use mainly for presentations or to present information to others. Once in a while, especially since we're distance learning for a few weeks, we may be using this Meet icon. And once in a while, if I asked you to create a survey or things like that, we might create a form that which is more of like a questionnaire. So back to Google Classroom. To get into the Google Classroom, you're going to click on that Google Classroom icon. And it'll take you to your Google Classroom icon homepage. You may have classes that have used Google Classroom in the past, and they may still be up. But what you're going to want to do is go to this plus sign in the top right corner so that you can join the class. Click Join Class. When you go into your class code, our class code is QTAJ256. So you're going to type it right into your class code box and go back to that top right corner and click Join. Once you've joined, you'll now see that you have Miss Gobert's 6th grade class in that Google Classroom home screen. And if you click on it, it'll take you directly to our Google Classroom. In the stream, you will just see everything that's been posted on Google Classroom. But if you go under classwork, it will have everything organized under different subheadings so that you can find information a lot easier. So for Google Meet, we have expectations about what we expect from you, the students, when we meet virtually. In our homeroom area, we have like weekly GLO assessments so we can see how we're all doing during this school year. And some additional classroom rules, especially since of our social distancing and things like that. Under resources, I have uploaded a video tutorial on how to use Go Math. So if you have a Go Math assignment, such as an interactive lesson that you need to complete, or maybe it's a pre-test that you need to complete, this tutorial is a video that will show you how to access all of the different assignments and things on the Go Math website. We've also created this amazing Hyperdoc for you. And so if you forget the web address of something and you don't know how to get into that website, all you have to do is look for the picture and click on that picture, and it'll have the website and take you directly to that sign-on screen. Pretty cool. So when you have an assignment to complete, you're going to look for the assignment, and when you click on it, it'll give you the directions of that assignment, and then it may give you a template, or it may ask you to add or create a new document. So if you create a new document, it would be creating a new docs, and then you can click Turn In. So if there's a template already, you're going to click on that template. You're going to complete what you need to complete within that template. And then normally there is a little turn in button right here where you can turn it in. Well, those are just a couple of the features of Google Classroom, how to sign into Google Classroom, and how to complete an assignment in Google Classroom. My screen looks a little different than yours, so it's hard to show you the turn-in screen button, but I hope this gives you a good idea on how to use these products so that we can all have a very successful and great year. Thanks, guys.